Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best beginner DJ controllers that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're just starting your DJ journey and need the right gear, this video is for you. Check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Numark DJ2 Go 2 Touch 2-channel Serato DJ controller. This ultra-portable controller stands out as the perfect entry-level option for aspiring DJs. Priced at just $89, it's the most budget-friendly option on our list. But don't let its affordability fool you. It packs quite a punch. Featuring 2 DJ decks, touch capacitive jog wheels, and a built-in audio interface. It's designed to provide you with all the essentials you need to start mixing right out of the box. Plus, the included Serato DJ Lite software ensures you can dive straight into the world of DJing without additional costs. The design is sleek, compact, and incredibly lightweight at just 14.9 ounces, making it ideal for DJs who are always on the move. Despite its minimalist build, it doesn't skimp on functionality. The controller includes 4 performance pad modes, which allow you to trigger cues, loops, and samples with ease. While the build quality is mostly plastic, the robust construction feels surprisingly durable for its price point. However, its small size might feel a bit cramped for users with larger hands or those looking for more advanced features. In terms of performance, the DJ2 Go 2 Touch is intuitive and straightforward, making it a great option for beginners. While it may not have the advanced features of premium controllers, it excels at providing a seamless, user-friendly experience. This controller is best suited for hobbyists, casual DJs, or those who want the portable backup option. The only downside is its limited connectivity options, but at this price, it's hard to complain. Overall, it's a fantastic starter controller for newbies dipping their toes into DJing. Coming in at number 4 is the Numark PartyMix DJ controller. Priced at $129, this controller is a step up from the DJ2 Go 2 Touch, offering a more immersive beginner experience with some extra bells and whistles. What sets the PartyMix apart is its built-in LED light show, which syncs to your mix and turns any space into an instant party. It's an all-in-one Serato DJ Lite system featuring 2 decks, a mixer, performance pads, and touch-sensitive jog wheels, making it a well-rounded option for aspiring DJs. The design is lightweight and compact, weighing just 1.76 pounds, with a sturdy plastic body that feels solid enough for regular use. The jog wheels are responsive, and the addition of performance pads allows for more creativity during your sets, with effects, loops, and samples. The built-in audio interface provides convenient connectivity to headphones and speakers, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. However, while the light show is a fun gimmick, it might not be ideal for those looking for a more professional setup. In terms of performance, the Numark PartyMix offers a lot of value for its price. It's straightforward to use, and the built-in library controls make browsing tracks a breeze. The ability to stream music from platforms like SoundCloud and Tidal via Serato adds versatility to your playlists. On the downside, the build quality may not hold up to heavy or professional use, and the lack of advanced features might limit its appeal as you progress. That said, it's perfect for beginners who want to mix and have fun without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Pioneer DJ Alpha Theta DDJ FLX2. A compact and versatile 2-channel DJ controller priced at $189. This controller is compatible with multiple DJ apps, including Rekordbox and Serato DJ Lite, making it a fantastic choice for beginners who want flexibility in their software options. With features like Smart CFX and Smart Fader, the DDJ FLX2 makes it incredibly easy to create smooth transitions and add professional effects to your mixes. The build quality is solid, with a sleek black design that feels modern and professional. At just 2.65 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, perfect for DJs who need a controller they can use at home or on the go. The layout is intuitive, with well-placed knobs and buttons that are easy to navigate, even for beginners. One of the standout features is its compatibility with streaming services, allowing you to access a virtually unlimited library of tracks. Performance-wise, the Pioneer DJ Alpha Theta DDJ FLX2 delivers a smooth and user-friendly experience. The Smart Fader feature automatically adjusts volume and tempo for effortless mixing, which is a big plus for those just starting out. However, it doesn't include a built-in audio interface, so you'll need additional gear for monitoring. While it offers great value for its price, advanced users might find its features a bit limiting. Overall, this is a great mid-tier option for beginners who want more functionality without jumping to premium pricing. In the second spot, we have the Pioneer DJ Alpha Theta DDJ FLX2 Compact 2-Channel DJ Controller Bundle. Priced at $219.99, this bundle offers fantastic value by including essential accessories like a case, headphones, and an instrument cable. It's lightweight and runs on USB power, making it highly portable and easy to use with your PC, Mac, or mobile device. With compatibility across popular DJ software such as Rekordbox, DJ, and Serato DJ Lite, this controller is a versatile choice for beginners and intermediate users alike. The design is compact and stylish, with a durable build that can withstand regular use. At just 2.6 pounds, it's easy to carry around, and the included case provides added protection for transport. The performance features, such as Smart CFX and Smart Fader, simplify the mixing process by automating volume and tempo adjustments, giving you more time to focus on your creativity. Additionally, streaming support for platforms like Beatport and Tidal ensures you always have access to fresh tracks. This bundle is ideal for beginners who want a complete setup out of the box, as it eliminates the need to purchase additional accessories. The headphones offer clear monitoring, and the polishing cloth is a nice touch to keep your gear clean. However, it's worth noting that the controller itself is identical to the standalone DDJ FLX2, so the extra cost is primarily for the bundled items. If you're looking for convenience and portability, this bundle is a great pick. Finally, at number 1, we have the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4, the premium option on our list, priced at $329. This 2-deck controller is a powerhouse for beginners and aspiring professionals alike, offering multi-device compatibility, USB audio output, and seamless integration with streaming services. Its smart mixing feature takes your mixes to the next level by automating complex adjustments, making it easier than ever to create professional-sounding transitions. The build quality is top-notch, with a graphite finish that exudes sophistication. At 6.16 pounds, it's the heaviest on our list, but it's still portable enough for mobile setups. The layout is intuitive and designed to mimic professional-grade controllers, giving you a head start as you progress in your DJ career. The jog wheels are smooth and responsive, while the performance pads open up endless creative possibilities. The controller also supports both Rekordbox and Serato DJ, ensuring you have access to the best DJ software available. In terms of performance, the DDJ FLX4 is unmatched for its price range. The smart mixing feature, combined with streaming integration, allows you to mix tracks effortlessly, while the USB audio output ensures high-quality sound. The only downside is its higher price, which might be a stretch for some beginners. However, if you're serious about DJing and want a controller that will grow with you, the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 is the ultimate choice. Its combination of features, build quality, and performance makes it the best beginner DJ controller on the market today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.